morning from Progreso, Mexico. So we had a little detour, y'all. They had some bad weather, so we ended up not going to Cozumel. But today is actually day, let me see, today is day 3, y'all, of our cruise. I just got married yesterday on a cruise. So today is the day after my wedding, and of course I'll be uploading all of the wedding content and all of that stuff. But today I just want to take you guys with me out in Progreso and just kind of around the Carnival Valor ship to show you guys. And then tomorrow, once we get to Cozumel, we do have an excursion already scheduled, so I'm so excited to do that excursion. But yeah, y'all, everything was so beautiful yesterday. I got married. It was just the most beautiful thing, and I'm so glad that we chose to get married on the Carnival Valor ship. I mean, it was just perfect, y'all. It was the perfect day. I had a lot of family members. Some of my line sisters came, my cousins, my parents, my aunt. So I was just really excited for that. But yeah, so we're about to go get some food and then head off the ship and have some fun in Progreso. We do have a suite. The suite is really nice, y'all. It's a lot of space, and we also do have a balcony, which I'm on right now. So we're about to head out actually and go down there where those people are walking. We're about to go there in a bit. But I just want to go ahead and start this vlog and do like a little just day in the life with me, you know, hanging out in Progreso. But yeah, y'all, like I said, they had some bad weather in Cozumel, so we ended up not going there. They just kind of detoured and brought us here to Progreso. But yeah, y'all, I'm super excited. People have on their little t-shirts and everything, and yeah, I'm just so happy. And this is Chris's first cruise, y'all, and he loves it. He's like, this is something we got to do multiple times a year. So I'm really excited about that. I got this cute little set from Temu. It came with the top, the shorts, and the belt, y'all. It is so freaking cute. And I feel like all my outfits so far, I've been doing a pretty good job, y'all, but I've been kind of slacking on the pictures. But yesterday for my wedding, they took so many pictures, y'all, after we got married, like around the ship. So I know we're gonna be buying like all of those pictures. But yeah, so let's go ahead, y'all. There's the mother of the bride. We're finished, right, Mom? We're finished, y'all. Everything was perfect. So I'm out here with my mama. Got Bay over there. Got my dad over there. My brother's about to come out. So yeah, we've been having a good time with our family, period, okay? And the weather is perfect, y'all. Absolutely perfect. Finally awake, y'all. We have been sleeping all day, okay, all day. So my plan was to kind of take y'all with me for the entire day, but we ended up just going to the shops, and we came back on the ship. Well, we had breakfast first, then we went out to the shops in Progreso, then we came back, and then we got Guy's Burger. I showed you guys that in the vlog. Those burgers are so amazing, y'all. So if y'all haven't tried it, I definitely recommend get a Guy's Burger if you come on a Carnival cruise. If you know, you know, period, okay? So yeah, so pretty much after that, we came back in our room, y'all, and we were just knocked out for hours. Now we're just sailing. We left Progreso about maybe like 2 hours ago, so we're headed to Cozumel right now. But yeah, we're gonna see what we're gonna get into for the rest of the day, and I'll take you guys along with me. Good morning, y'all. So we have arrived in Cozumel. Now it's sunny and it's looking really pretty, y'all. They ended up canceling our excursion. So they had this paper under our door that let us know that it was canceled and we was gonna get refunded for it. So we're pretty much getting dressed right now. We're gonna go out on the Lido deck on deck 9 and kind of just meet everybody and figure out what we're gonna do for the rest of the day. We're probably gonna head out to a beach or whatever's available, but there were like 3 excursions that were canceled altogether. So I was a little sad about that because that's something that we had planned to do as a group, but that's okay. So we pulled up in Cozumel. We're right next to another ship, y'all. Over here, another Carnival ship. I forgot the name of that one. It's maybe the Carnival Legend, I think. But yeah, so that's pretty much what we're about to do. So a lot of little detours happening, but we're enjoying our vacation early. But yeah, it's looking pretty nice outside, y'all. It's windy, the sun is out. Whenever we first docked about an hour ago, it was like partly cloudy, so I'm really excited that now we see some sunshine. So let me show you guys the people down there heading off of the ship because we'll be down there soon. The Blake. made it back into my room. We had our little excursion day today. Our original excursion for Passion Island was canceled because of the weather, so we just went ahead and found another excursion, which I'm glad we did because I really wanted to go on an excursion today because we didn't go on one yesterday. But we ended up going to this all-inclusive resort called Mr. Sanchos, and there were pools there. There was the beach, all-inclusive food, drinks. It was just so much fun, y'all. So we hung out there, and yeah, pretty much we're back on the ship, y'all. We're on the Carnival Valor. Then there's also the Carnival Legend that's next to us, and then there's also a ship from Princess Cruise Lines as well. So it's a lot of cruise ships that are actually at the port right now in Cozumel. But we had so much fun today, y'all, and the food was pretty good. The drinks were pretty good. We also did this really cool like tequila tasting, and that was really nice. So we did take home some tequila. But with Carnival, you do have to go ahead and check it in once you get back on the ship, and then they give it to you whenever you get off of the ship. So we're gonna have to get that with us whenever we get off the ship on Thursday. But yeah, so I'm so excited, y'all. So we had a great time today. Tomorrow is going to be our last full day at sea. So we have all day tomorrow, which is Wednesday, and then Thursday morning is when we're going to get back to the port in New Orleans, Louisiana. But so far, y'all, I'm having a fun time, y'all. I'm loving all the family, y'all. Everybody's getting to know one another, from Chris's family and my family. Now we all just one big blended family, y'all. And I'm so happy. We just had so much fun, and I'm still on a high from the wedding and just everything that happened so far on the cruise. But getting married on a Carnival cruise ship, y'all, was more than I could have ever imagined. It was so magical. The captain married us on the ship, so it was just amazing, y'all. I may not record tomorrow. I'm not really sure what the vibes are going to be, but yeah, we had so much fun, y'all. Our last full day cruising, our last day at sea, and I'm so excited just to go hang out and enjoy the last of our vacation, y'all. But this has been freaking amazing. The weather looks beautiful now. It has been a little choppy though, like the last 2 nights, and so they've been closing down like some parts of the Lido deck at nighttime. But other than that, I mean, it's beautiful. It's starting to get a little cooler, so I feel like we're finally kind of getting closer to New Orleans. So the weather's going to go back down to about like 60, I think a little bit more than 60, maybe like 64 or 65 degrees. And once we got into Cozumel, it was pretty much like 80 degrees, and the weather was like perfect there. Even though the first stop, it was a little partly cloudy, they had to cancel our excursion because the waves was just a little crazy, y'all. It was just a little crazy. So we're about to, well, I'm already dressed. So this is what I got from Temu. It's a cute little pant set. I wanted to save it till we got back into some cooler weather, and I'm also wearing this other little purse from Temu as well. But we're gonna go in the dining hall and actually have brunch today. I'm tired of eating on the Lido deck. If you know, you know. I don't really like the Lido deck's food too much. I mean, it's good, but it's kind of like, you know, like continental breakfast, cafeteria food good. But today I want to actually experience just going into the dining room and eating brunch there. We did go to the Steakhouse last night, y'all. It was so good. When I tell y'all so good, if you ever go on a cruise, y'all, I definitely recommend go to the Steakhouse, y'all. It's so nice. It's nice ambiance. It's great for date night. And just if you want to treat yourself to a little something extra. Last night, Carnival actually paid for our food because it was complimentary in our wedding package. So we had our honeymoon dinner last night on the Carnival ship, and we're actually going to the Steakhouse again tonight with our other family members. My godmother is taking us all out to the Steakhouse tonight, so we're actually going back there. I'm probably gonna order the same thing, y'all, lamb chops and macaroni, or if I'm feeling fancy, I might get the lobster. But that's pretty much what we're doing to start off the day, y'all, and see what we get into later. I did want to go in the pool yesterday, but it was so choppy and it was getting like so crazy. I was like, I'm not trying to risk getting going swim on the ship, so I didn't do that last night. But yeah, so we're about to just hang out and see what we can get into for the rest of the day. I might have just a few more drinks. I think I want to go into the candy shop, get some treats there, and then that'll pretty much be it. But we're about to hang out. y'all, good morning. I am back in New Orleans. We made it and we had a great time. Yesterday, y'all, was our last day on board. I tried to capture some footage from yesterday, but most of the day we spent picking out our wedding pictures and buying our photography package that we wanted and buying the video from our wedding. So that all came out really nice, y'all. We have these really cool photo books that we're going to have at our other reception happening in a few days on Sunday. But yesterday I chilled with my cousins, my line sisters. We went to the little club they had on the ship. We went and hung around, walked around. What else did I do yesterday? We also went to dinner with my godmother at the Steakhouse. I had lamb chops, y'all, 2 nights in a row with macaroni. That was amazing. But yeah, so yesterday it was very chill, and it did start to get a little chilly towards the end of our trip, so we definitely stayed inside more. So I didn't get to like swim in the pool and all that stuff like I wanted to do yesterday, but everything worked out. We had a smooth debarkation process, and we are now on the way to my parents' house. We're going to stay there for a few days because the reception is coming up. So tomorrow we have to go look at the venue and everything and just make sure everything is in order for our reception on Sunday. But yeah, y'all, we had a great time. We are married. We just had an amazing time, y'all, and I'll tell y'all more about it. I'll post like wedding stuff and like how we booked our wedding through Carnival Weddings and all that. But it was a 10 out of 10 experience, and I definitely do recommend, if you're planning on getting married, know somebody who planning on getting married, they don't know what they want to do, I definitely do recommend Carnival Weddings. But we had so much fun with our family and our friends. We cannot wait to go back on a Carnival cruise with our family, y'all. We're already talking about going on another cruise, all right? So I want to go ahead and end off the vlog. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you like, give your girl a like and also subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.